Hello students, welcome to my class. I am your Hina ma'am and today we will discuss the theorem on the Legendre's function, that is Pn of x. So what is the theorem here? We have to show that Pn of x is equal to, that is Pn of 1 is equal to 1, and second is Pn of minus x is equal to minus 1 to the power n into Pn of x, and I have to show that Pn of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to the power n. Okay, so what is the value of generating function result? We have derived the expression for generating function, and that is nothing but 1 minus 2xt plus t square to the power minus half is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity Pn of x t raised to n. I will call it as equation number 1. So to calculate the first result, that is Pn of 1 is equal to 1, I need to substitute n is equal to 1 in this particular result, that is x is equal to 1. So after substituting x is equal to 1 here, I will get, in place of x, I have to substitute x is equal to 1. So 1 minus 2t plus t square to the power minus half is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity Pn of x के जगह पे 1 डालना है, Pn of 1 into t raised to n as it is. अब what is this value? 1 minus 2t plus t square to the power minus half है. तो यहाँ पे if I observe this particular equation, what is this equation? This equation is the expansion of 1 minus t to the power square. That is 1 square is 1 minus 2t plus b square, that is t square. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग इस वैल्यू से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, इजंट इट? तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस टी टू द पावर स्क्वेयर, उसका पावर माइनस हाफ, तो ऑलरेडी ये है, तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, 2 एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 2, तो आई विल गेट हियर माइनस 1. That is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity Pn of 1 t raised to n as it is. So by using the binomial result, I can expand this by using 1 minus t universe formula. So that is equal to 1 plus t square plus t cube plus so on t raised to n plus so on. And that is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity Pn of 1 t raised to n as it is. Now I have to equate the powers of, or the coefficient of powers of t raised to n. तो यहाँ पे डी रेस टू एन का पावर है, सॉरी टी रेस टू एन का कोएफिशिएंट है 1, और यहाँ पे डी रेस टू एन का कोएफिशिएंट है पी एन ऑफ 1. तो आई कैन गेट पी एन ऑफ 1 इज इक्वल टू 1, एंड दैट इज द फर्स्ट रिक्वायर्ड रिजल्ट. तो टू प्रूव द सेकेंड रिजल्ट, आई विल कंसिडर that is replacing x by minus x in equation number 1, that is my generating function. So I will get here 1 plus, because my generating function is 1 minus 2xt, but my x is minus 6, तो minus and minus I will get here plus. तो 1 plus 2xt plus t square to the power minus half Pn of x, that is equal to minus x t raised to n. I will call it as equation number 2. Now I will do, that is I will replace x, that is t by minus t. तो मेरा यहाँ पे फिर से प्लस हो जाएगा, 1 plus 2xt plus t square raised to minus half is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity Pn of x. In place of t, I need to substitute minus t to the power n. तो I will get here Pn of x minus 1 to the power n t raised to n, isn't it? तो minus t to the power n को हम लोग minus 1 raised to n और t raised to n लिख सकते हैं. I will call it as equation number 3. Okay, since my LHS of equation number 2 and LHS of equation number 3 both are same, isn't it? So I can equate the RHS. After equating the RHS, I will get here Pn of minus x is equal to Pn of x into minus 1 to the power n. So now I will put here x is equal to 1. I will get Pn of minus 1 is equal to Pn of 1 into minus 1 to the power n. And that is the required second result. Okay, so the very important concept I will have here, recurrence formula. तो recurrence formula क्या है? We have to prove that n plus 1 Pn plus 1 x is equal to 2n plus 1 x Pn of x minus n Pn minus 1 x. So now I will use again the generating function definition. तो what is my generating function definition? 1 minus 2xt plus t square to the power minus half is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity pn of x t raised to n. I will differentiate this result with respect to t. Remember, we have to differentiate this particular function with respect to t. So after differentiating with respect to t, I will apply first x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. But what is the value of n here? Minus half. तो ये हो जाएगा minus half. I will keep this term as it is and I will take this as minus half minus 1. So that becomes minus 3 divided by 2, isn't it? Again differentiate this result with respect to t. तो ये हो जाएगा 0 minus 2x plus 2t is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity pn of x as it is. T raised to n differentiation with respect to t will be n into t raised to n minus 1. Okay, so minus half I will keep as it is, 1 minus 2xt plus t square to the power minus 3 divided by 2 as it is. And I can take minus 2 common from this and I will get x minus t inside the bracket and that is equal to the RHS term as it is. Ab 1 minus 2xt plus t square is to minus half. So consider here I have cancelled this 2 divided by 2. Minus into minus will be my function will be plus. And also my power is minus 3 by 2 in the previous step. But in the next step I have made it like minus 1 by 2. तो minus 1 by 2 और नीचे क्या हो जाएगा? Divided by 1 minus 2xt plus t square. Isn't it? तो I can write this like. तो मैं कैसे लिखूँगी उसको? 1 minus 2xt plus t square to the power minus 3 by 2 I have. So I can write this as 1 minus 2xt plus t square to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 है ना. तो इस माइनस 1 के पावर को मैं क्या करूँगी इंटू 1 माइनस 2xt प्लस टी स्क्वेयर टू द पावर माइनस 1 ऐसे लिखूँगी है ना. दिस माइनस 3 by 2 आई हैव रिटर्न माइनस 1 by 2 माइनस 1. अब इन दोनों को मैंने सेपरेट लिखा है. माइनस 1 by 2 का पावर 1 और माइनस 1 का पावर 1. तो ए हो जाएगा 1 माइनस 2xt plus t square to the power minus half divided by. This becomes in the denominator side and the value becomes plus 1. So simply I can write 1 minus 2xt plus t square, isn't it? And now I can shift that is that divided by term to the RHS side. तो ये हो जाएगा, consider here x minus t as it is, 1 minus 2xt plus t square to the power minus half as it is and denominator का term इधर जाके multiplication with this particular term हो जाएगा. तो 1 minus 2xt plus t square into pn of x n into t raised to n minus 1 as it is. Again x minus t as it is, this particular term as it is, that is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity as it is 1 minus 2xt plus t square pn of x n into t raised to n minus 1 as it is. Okay. The summation I will apply the summation from for all the terms. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा summation n is equal to 0 to infinity x minus 2. But what is the value of this particular term? That is I have taken as summation n is equal to, okay sorry, I am not applying the summation. I have simply substituting the value of 1 minus, that is 1 minus 2xt plus t square का value simply मैंने इसको यहाँ पे डाला है. तो x minus t I have written the same and this particular result is nothing but this particular value. So I have written that and that is equal to. Now I will multiply with summation n is equal to 0 to infinity for each of the terms, to 1 to minus 2xt and to t square. तो a हो जाएगा n pn x t raised to n minus 1 minus 2xt t और t raised to n minus 1 का हो जाएगा t raised to n और प्लस t square with t raised to n minus 1 का हो जाएगा t raised to n plus 1, isn't it? तो simply we have to multiply summation to these three terms. तो यहाँ पे भी same, I will multiply with x and I will multiply with minus t. तो I will get here n is equal to 0 to infinity x pn x t raised to n minus summation n is equal to 0 to infinity pn x t raised to n plus 1, because t and t raised to n will be t raised to n plus 1 and that is equal to all these terms as it is. Okay, so what is my next procedure? My next procedure is I have to equate the coefficients of t raised to n on both sides. So what are my coefficients? My coefficients are x into pn of x minus pn minus 1 of x. तो यहाँ पे तो pn of x है, लेकिन यहाँ पे pn माइनस 1 कैसे आया? तो कंसिडर हियर माई टी रेस टू एन प्लस 1 का कोएफिशिएंट है pn ऑफ x. इसके पहले का टर्म टी एन प्लस 1 है, तो पहले वाला टर्म हो जाएगा टी रेस टू एन, तो उसका कोएफिशिएंट क्या हो जाएगा? pn माइनस 1 x हो जाएगा, और दैट इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पे n माइनस 1 का है तो इसके आगे वाला होगा, है ना. तो यहाँ पे n माइनस 1 का कोएफिशिएंट है इतना, तो इसके आगे का हो जाएगा n विल बी n प्लस 1, pn विल बी pn प्लस 1 x माइनस यहाँ पे c t रेस टू n, तो सिंपली आई कैन राइट माइनस 2nx pn ऑफ x प्लस, तो हियर माई t रेस टू n प्लस 1 का कोएफिशिएंट n इंटू pn ऑफ x है, तो इसके पहले का कोएफिशिएंट हो जाएगा n बिकम्स n माइनस 1, pn becomes pn minus 1 of x. So I have now n plus 1 pn plus 1 of x is equal to x into pn of x, because to consider here I will keep this term as it is and I will shift this term to the other side. तो a हो जाएगा x into pn of x plus 2nx pn of x minus pn minus 1 of x माइनस n माइनस 1 pn माइनस 1 ऑफ x, isn't it? तो यहाँ पे आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन n प्लस 1 pn प्लस 1 ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू x pn ऑफ x. आई हैव हियर x pn ऑफ x एंड x pn ऑफ x, तो 2n प्लस 1 इंटू x pn ऑफ x माइनस pn माइनस 1 ऑफ x pn माइनस 1 ऑफ x, तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस pn माइनस 1 ऑफ x माइनस इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो n pn माइनस 1 ऑफ x माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस pn ऑफ x, तो दिस बिकम्स n प्लस 1 pn प्लस 1 ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 2n प्लस 1 x pn ऑफ x minus and plus pn minus 1 of x will get cancelled and I will left with minus n pn minus 1 of x. And this is very important formula, that is recurrence formula, and this is all about today's class. Tomorrow we'll discuss the next chapter in this particular paper. Thank you.